and their maternal spirit can defend you to any length. More you couldn't matter. Believe in me, even if any force abandon you, your maternal spirit can never. Your maternal spirit, do you know why? You don't understand some certain things that normally happen during marriage. For you to marry a woman, when you marry a woman, know this and know this, that you are marrying with her spiritual forces. That is why even in Igbo spirituality, most of the ogugus, some of the ogugus in various towns, is the maternal spirits that a woman married in that town came with. Let me give you an example. According to history, we were told that even in Guinea, that is in our village, Eze-Ana, that is a woman married into the village that came with it. Are you following? So, because olden days, nwanyi na-enwe okuchi, nwanyi na-abụ ojewebe die, oburu mmụọ be nne ya, wee jewebe die, o ruo ebe anwa di ya enye ebe ọ ga-adọba ụmụ mmụọ ndị a. Itu aka ọ dịgbo. Yes, even till now. So, if a woman, you are marrying a woman, know today that that woman you are married, whenever she is coming to your house, she is coming with her forces. Because marriage is a union between the woman forces and the man forces. Are you following? And you know this one and know please that a woman has strong influence in her unborn child. A woman has strong influence on her unborn child. That is why if, like as a man, you got your woman pregnant, but the woman is the carrier. The woman is the carrier. She is always there as a woman, with the power of a woman, protecting, molding, keep molding, incubating the unborn child till the appointed time for delivery. So the child in question took lot of things from the woman. Medical students understand this one perfectly. So an unborn child born with the mother, because that as the baby is growing, the baby normally takes lots of things from the mother. Let me tell you another thing why, even when you are still unborn in the mother's womb, you are bonding with your mother, the mother of that particular child, and her forces, because the woman is not far fetched from her forces. Her own forces dwells in her. Let me tell you one thing you understand again. Do you remember that where they said the first prayer for that union to bear fruits, to have children? Remember that prayer was said in the woman's house. Let me tell you how it works. If you, a man, you want to marry a woman, remember, in actual sense, you are not even married. That woman is not sold to you by virtue of bride price. That woman she's not sold to you outrightly. And let me just tell you in simple terms, that woman was just borrowed to you. Yes, I know you will not understand it. That woman, the woman they married, the family of the woman just borrowed that woman to you to help you to raise a new home. That is the simple analysis. The woman, because no amount of bride price, how much do you pay? No amount you pay that justify the buying of the woman entirely. No, it can't. So that is why even in marriage, the family will tell you, we allowing you to marry our daughter. However, don't stop the woman from maintaining the link with us. And that is why even if you are marrying that woman, whenever that woman is sick, you must inform her people that my wife, your daughter is sick. They must be in the known. If they not hear that their daughter is sick, suddenly tell them that their daughter has passed on. Believe in me, any dance they beat for you, you dance. And in Igbo spirituality, you are not permitted to bury someone's daughter without the consent of the real owner. Let me give you an example. If a woman dies in the burial, listen to microphone. Whenever the woman's people are coming, they will be announcing, the people that owns the corpse are coming. Are you following? And in olden days, the corpse of that woman will be taken back to her father's compound. That is how it was done in the olden days. But one of the reforming of our way of living, our culture, our people now decided that since man and woman are one, that the corpse of the woman should be allowed to be buried in her husband's house, so that even her children, the children she born on that particular family, will always see the grave of their mother. That's why that particular one was changed. However, there is a spiritual act that even that particular day, the woman is being lowered to the mother earth. The relative of that particular woman will be given some certain items that signify checking the spirit of that woman, the spirit, back to her place of origin, her parents' house, while the cost will be lowered in her husband's house. That is why that particular day they will have exchange of photograph. Then we'll give them some item, including like maybe yam, goat, this and that, in exchange of the spirit of that woman. Sometimes you go to bed and you don't understand what is happening. People that own that corpse will go inside at a particular place. They will discuss with elders, and after their normal entertainment and everything, you will hear whenever they want to go, you will hear gunshot. That gunshot is to tell the spirits that came to that family with her in marriage that the marriage between Ifeyinwa and the Nwokafo has ended. Therefore, those spirits will now go with her people back home. Are you following? So what I want to tell you that particular day, Ifeyinwa, for example, hand is given in marriage to Ifeanyi. Remember, after that particular day, Ana Atunkunana, to inform the ancestors, to inform the forces on her father's compound that today, that Ifeyinwa is being married, that Ifeyinwa is getting married today, and that particular day, on that particular soil, the father of the bride, who happened to be the host, before the audience, we called upon her daughter, my daughter, please show us again, in the presence of our friends and well-wishers and lovers, that man that you choose to be your husband for life. Now they will then perform that act of one carrying. Now, after performing that act, the chosen man will be selected. After that particular one, the man will now, in appreciation, walk side by side with his wife back to the parents, the father of the bride. And that is that particular spot that the prayers will be showered, that gods of our land, today is a great day in our land and in our family. that today, if anyone is getting married, they will now pray to man of his choice, to man of her choice. The father will now pray, gods of our land, today, as if anyone is getting married today, give her fruit of the womb, that in coming years to come, we will have Eze-Ana, her offspring. Are you following? That is where they prayed. The father of the bride will pray, because he is the father of the key member of that partnership, that union. The father of the girl will release his blessings for this new family. Yes, for this new family to bear fruits, children. That these children automatically will be connected with the Eze-Ana, links with the family. So it's not a simple act. But sometimes people normally see those acts as just a symbolic act. It has spiritual meaning. So by so doing, the spirits, the forces of that particular family are being properly informed that so day, if anyone is now married to one Ifeanyi. And after that, they will do all the rituals, and the goat will be slaughtered, and that meat of that goat will be shared among the Umunnas, the clan people, for them to be a partaker, to be a witness that so day, if anyone has been married out. Are you following? So what I'm telling you in essence is this. Marriage is not just as simple as you people think. It's a union of the forces from the mother's, that woman's side, and the forces of that man's side. That's one of the reasons why they normally take that sharing of that drink. It's like a covenant. It's a covenant. So that our marriage, because that is traditional marriage, is very strong than what they are doing in the churches today. But it's a pity that people are abandoning our own way of marriage. So what I can tell you is that particular thing, there is something very mysterious things are happening that day, because there is a union going on. That particular woman, the family did not sold that woman outrightly to you. They just borrowed it to you to help you to raise another home. So all her offspring, all the children she will bear for you, have strong link with that family. That is why in Igbo spirituality, from time to time, there is what we call Igalolomo. I don't know what people call it in your own dialect. But Igalolomo, let me explain what Igalolomo is all about for you to understand it and what I'm saying, and know exactly what people normally call it. There will be a time where all the children, as in your mother's children, will go to her people. We go to her people with all those eatable things and food, and with cooler, to whoever that's representing her father. Then if her father is no more, if her father is still there, you go there for blessings. So whenever you put a date for Igalolomo to the maternal people, the father of your mother will be informed, and he on his own will inform his kinsmen that if anyone's children are coming for Alolomo, they will come for prayers. So whenever they come, they will now carry food to throw it to the gods of the land, the family. And thank God of the family, gods of the family, that if anyone and her children is here, to come and say thank you, and for all of us to marry again. So the head of that family will carry small food from the food they came with and throw it. Then, and break the collar. And in his prayer, he will now pray that gods of our land, then let these children, if anyone's children, be blessed. Let them be great in life. He will shower blessing upon blessing upon blessing upon blessing on those children. So that is how you should be. From time to time, you go to your maternal people and tap blessings. So from time to time, you go to your maternal people and seek for blessings. Sometimes there are some people, whenever you are facing some certain challenges in life, what actually you need is to take drinks, cooler, whatever, go to your maternal people. Ask whoever that is there, if the father is not there, whoever that represents him should drink that cooler and bless you. Then your mother people has every right to bless you and bless you, continually blessing you. I don't know how you are doing in your own language, in your own side, but in our own place, no matter how highly placed you are, whenever you see your no chair or no chair from our side here, you bend down. Even I know some, even women, some of them I'm older than them. Understand? Or even men too. Some of them are older than them. But as long as it's from my maternal people, whatever I see them, I say, oh no, if he's a man, I will say no chair. I will bend down. The person will tap me at the back. What it means that we are proud of you. You are a good guardian. Are you getting me? Even if he's a woman, maybe I'm even older than him or than her. But for the fact that she's from the same place with my mother, she automatically become my no chair. So whenever I see her, I will bend down. No chair. She will tap me on the back. No matter how highly placed you are. You say, he give you blessing. That is only your paternal people that will be giving you blessing. In that manner, you bend down. Any other person, you are not bending down. Even if you are a case man, a case man will just bring handy. You will have a handshake with your case man, but you have no chair. You bend down. That's how it's been done olden days. Forget the fact that the world are changing. People are not understand all those things. Sometimes some people ignore it. But I remember those days, if you did not even see somebody from your maternal people, you did not greet the person will tell you, no, our own language. By then, you first to bend down for the person to bless you. So the same thing with your maternal forces. From time to time, when was the last time you take cola drink to visit your maternal people and seek for blessings? When was the last time? And the same thing with your maternal deities. Those alokose in your maternal fire are very powerful. Whatever you want to do, you must consult them. You don't understand the power that as a Eziokwu that you bears. Let me give you an example. When I answered my call, that's why if you go to any spiritualist that understand what he's doing, your maternal spirit will be in your temple. Your maternal spirit will be there. So I went there, and when there is work needed to be done in my maternal deity shrine, I was consulted and I went there myself. Are you following? So let me give you an example why you should understand that you are very strong with the maternal spirit. If, example, you are a man, as I am now, I'm Eziokwu to my mother's village. The shrine there, if there is nobody taking care of that shrine in my mother's clan, I, as a Eziokwu, I can be chief priest there. Maybe you don't understand. Where the village where they married their mother, if there is shrine there and nobody is taking care of that shrine, you as a Eziokwu, If the spirits choose you, you can be chief priest there. So if you understand the power of being Eze-Ana, and I can tell you that if there's anything that you don't understand that happening in your life, and you call upon the maternal forces to come to your aid, believe me, they will fight your battle like tomorrow no day. They will buy your case. They will buy your case. They will fight like mad. Okay, let me give you an example. Have you asked yourself why in Igbo spirituality we were told that also because your maternal spirits were there to protect you? Do you know even in olden days when there is things are working the way it should be, if you don't have land in your maternal place, even your maternal people will give you land. Your maternal people will give you land. You couldn't get any land. To show you how serious it is. So from today, recognize your maternal forces. Call upon your maternal forces. Even whenever you are breaking cola, even if you cannot go there, try to find out the names. Call upon, like me, if I'm breaking cola in my temple every morning, I will recognize my maternal ancestors. I will call upon the maternal deity in my temple. My maternal deity is there. There is no way every morning I went there to break cola. I must call her because it's a female deity. I must recognize Ogugu's Olu. I must do that. So in anything I do, I must recognize her. Because even if anything, because they are backbone, even if anybody is looking for your trouble, she is there to protect you because people want there. Are you following? So today, know this one and know peace. If there is anything that is happening to you, recognize why you should always call upon your maternal deity, your maternal forces. No more no. Call upon them. They will always come to your aid and assist you. Like if me, I'm breaking cola, I will call my Ndikunne. I call them. Yes, I'll call my Ndikunne. There's no day I'm breaking cola. My mom, parents are no more. I'll call their names to come and join me in breaking the cola and those morning devotion. So what I'm telling you, always recognize them. They are forces. They always come to your aid. Believe in me. Believe in me. They always come to your aid. So what am I telling you today is know this one, know peace. Recognize them. Call upon them. Tell them your needs. And from time to time, go break cola for them. Like my maternal deity now, by September ending, they normally do New Yam Festival. Yeah, this year I always visit. Every year I will go there. Because I need the maternal blessings. Understand? And my Namoche that happens to be the chief priest there will say some prayers for me. Know this and know this. Some of the things that you are running from pillar to post, from one spiritualist to another, is as a result of not doing the right thing. Because those your forces, because as you are attending to those your maternal spirits, your forces are growing. You recognize your paternal forces, you recognize your maternal forces too. They work hand in hand for your good. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, feel free to chat me on WhatsApp. Remember my WhatsApp number 0805 78 37672. I repeat 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243 871. I repeat 0813 8243 871. May the blessing of the Most High, the creator of the whole universe, Eziokwu, be with you and abide with you now and forevermore. Yeah, guys, I see you tomorrow. No gawa nke Eziokwu. I'm seeing your grateful. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah,
Good day, my name is Chucks. If you're in need of building designs, we have years of experience helping people get the beauty of their dream house they have always wanted. Even if you have great fear of seeking for architect because of money, we can help. Don't put off getting your dream house that you deserve. So give us a WhatsApp chat via our Facebook page today at Fenwork Architecture. Fenwork Architecture gives you the best. Thank you.
Morning. Okay, my name is Mwachukwu Francis Chukwuemeke. I'm from Anambra State, Nigo, precisely. Okay, to start with, I would say thank you for using that word, beautiful. Those work we saw in Eziokwu TV, I'm the architect that designed it. I happen to be one of 3 executive directors in Framework Architecture. Framework Architecture is a multidisciplinary integrated company that offers specialized and expert contracts and consultancy in area of architecture, civil engineering, project planning, interior designing. Okay, Framework Architecture was founded and began operating in 2010. The company is led by management team of 3 executive directors, and have assembled a group of experienced and professional technicians in both traditional and high technology. Thank you so much. Our mission is to provide a service to meet the challenges of building environments associated with the developing countries like Africa. We aim to provide a conducive and safety, affordable housing units. Okay, to reach us is so easy. We are everywhere here in Nigeria. Why I say that we are everywhere is that we go outside jobs. I mean, any place we call us, we are ready to be there and achieve their requirements. So for our contact number, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 070 64 65 24 51. I repeat, 070 64 65 24 51. Or you can also contact us through our email address, frameworkarchitecture@gmail.com. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, viewers all over the world. My name's Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Rifte. I'm here this morning to react on trending topic concerning reforms going on in Igbo spirituality. One of my followers chatted me. He was of the view that we should not reform Eze-Ana, that we keep on using the outdated method used by our ancestors, our fathers, meaning that Igbo spirituality, we should maintain the old status quo. Our altars, Igbo spirituality, we have altars no Okumodi teacher, like Okwedo, Okulasi, Okumodi teacher, even the same thing with the one that is in your village. Place of worship in Igbo spirituality. We should keep on staying under the trees and the shanties. That anything we are trying to build a befitting place of worship for him, he is not in support. So I'm here today to react to some of such comments. That look, world over, every spiritual movement, they're all reforming. Let me draw your attention to Catholic faith. There's what they call Vatican I. During Vatican I era, the priest, Manako Kalate, during the Latin Mass, that time, in Vatican I, because Catholic Church have Vatican I and Vatican II. Presently, Catholic they are practicing Vatican II. Under Vatican I, they are using purely Latin. Yes, they are using purely Latin. And that time, Reverend Father will face the Holy of Holies. We face the altar, back people. Anytime we want to give blessing, like Dominus Vobiscum, you will turn people to people and say Dominus Vobiscum, et cum spiritu tua. That is Dominus Vobiscum simple means Asekuya et cum spiritu tua. Then face back. Are you following? So, and as the church was growing, they understand that by so doing that some people don't actually understand the meaning of those Latin words. So, under Vatican II, they reform it. Under Vatican II, they taught it why that and make declarations that from that Vatican II going forward, that people should be celebrating Mass in their own language. They reform a lot of things, and the Reverend Father began to face the audience. Everything, they reform so many. I just want to use this particular celebration of Mass as a case study. The same thing with other world religion world over. Are you following? Even in Hindu, it's Buddha that built the first temple in India, like modern temples. So there was so many reforms. So many reforms. The same thing with if you go to other sets, religious sets like Grey Message, the Kanka and rest of them, many of them are building modern place of worship, so temples. However, once you enter into any place of worship, you will see sign that will show you that this particular place of worship or temple belongs to so spiritual sect. Like if I enter Catholic church, once I enter inside, I will be able to tell you this is Catholic, even without signboard. Because I have already know some certain things. Despite the fact that other religions have chairs and everything, they have similarity. That's what I'm trying to say. But there is some certain things that made it unique. For example, Catholic must have crucifix. Crucifix. Why the Anglican, exterior of Anglican and Catholic look alike, right? But there is different because in Anglican, you will only see a cross, you will not see crucifix. The same thing with other Pentecostals. So, but some people still want Ordinana to remain with those outdated methods that did not even help us anywhere. Okay, with this old method of under trees and shanties, have you ever seen any serving governors? Despite the fact, or even senator, despite the fact that some of them, when they are contesting, yes, they seek prayers from traditional worshippers. Yes, Igbo spirituality. But because of how everything is structured, time of Thanksgiving, you will not see them. Okay, if the governor is coming to thank Olas with his entourage, where will he sit? The atmosphere is not conducive. Okay, if there is maybe a rainfall, how do you expect governor or a senator or and his entourage to be running helter-skelter because rain is coming? The atmosphere is not built in a way that it will accommodate high-profile personalities. So, but now in Igbo spirituality, we are moderning it. What is important is the teaching. In Igbo spirituality, African traditional religion, we are talking about telling you why you should not destroy your family, why you should be at peace with your children and rest of them. All those the tenets of Igbo spirituality teaching will teach you about those things. And even tell you how you can be able to do it yourself. Like I said, 70% of your spiritual work can be done by yourself if you are properly guided. So that is what modern Igbo spirituality is trying to do. Now we are remodeling so many things, giving at least modern place of worship where you can come and sit comfortably. In fact, if we can even afford AC, we put AC. Are you getting me? So that the atmosphere must be nice. Yes, because other religious sects and spiritual movements are looking down on Igbo spirituality because of how our altars look like under the trees, under shanties and everything. People are looking down on us. So I'm a reformer. I am of the opinion that place of worship of Chukwu Okike should look nice. Okay, look at what African traditional religion is doing, Ghanaian religion. Look at it. You see it and watch the next video. You will see watch the next videos. You will see people massively returning back to Igbo spirituality via African traditional religion. You will see the atmosphere, you will see the interior, you will see everything. The environment is nice and very conducive, so that everybody will be conducive for all walks of life. So watch this video and see the reformation we are bringing in Igbo spirituality, because we believe that place of worship of Chukwu should be nice and it should follow the reality on ground of 21st century. So you watch how we worship. The difference is that Igbo spirituality does not believe that Jesus is God. Yes. So Igbo spirituality does not recognize that. We believe in Chukwu Okike Pụrụ Ime Ihe Niile. That is the core difference between us and Christianity. So I will have worship songs. Those worship songs, the only thing is that we recognize Chukwu. We don't recognize Jesus. That is the third difference. So, and if you look inside our interior of place of worship, you will see our Nzu is there. Edo is there. So if you look well, you will see the difference from the normal church, because you will not see anything, any carved image in that place. However, outside the place of worship, you still have other symbols in the environment for you to know that you are in African traditional religion arena. Let me stop here. Watch this video and tell me what you have to say. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Oyama, Yama de Moon Neke, Yama de Moon Lori, Yama de Moon Nafo, Yama de Moon Napo, Yama de Moon of Neke. This is the way about Yama de Verade, Yama de Verade, Chineke Melanie Yama, Chineke Wala Rosso, Yama Hina, Chineke Gozilla, Chineke Gozilla, Chineke Maguzu, Usu Yama de Verade. Usubu people of the Drake. You are coming in a job of my Chineke Bezulega, Chineke Gossi, Chineke Beregma. You are really God bless you. 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 Chineke mere mma Chineke wara ko se so na lege abasa lo ga wa mere ma ke bo na se ike de no so no wewe
Arusi dinneku Eze-Ana iyeji na nchabu mwa karaka mwa mwerenga basi Arusi dinneku Eze-Ana iyeji na nchabu
Viewers all over the world, as you all know, my name is Eze-Ana. If you have been following me on my social media teachings and propagation, I made some lectures in the past that the white people, they never love us, and they will never start today to love us. Even in the religious houses, you will see them treating us like garbage to show us that their claim love that showing us is fake. What they are interested in us is what they will take from us. But genuine love, without fear of modern camera, knowing fully well that the international cameras are there taking them, they don't bloody care. How do you think that they will love us? I want you to watch this video and tell me what you think. That even in the religious house, they are treating us like this. Remember our own brother, Cardinal Eze, that's supposed to be at the seat of papacy. They push me away. Watch this video.
Christians, make una come show me who be Jesus for this video. I see a lot of Jesus today.
Viewers all over the world, as you all see, like we used to tell you all many times, yes, I have said it times without number, that we Africans should wise up. Lots of lies was told against our spirituality. Now let's use this case of Jesus, pictures of Jesus. We have many of them, more than 10. But I can tell you, have you ever asked yourself these questions? We should stop this blind faith of a thing. Have you ever asked yourself, who took this picture of Jesus? Okay, have you asked yourself, we are told that Jesus existed for over 2,000 years ago. Have you ever asked you, who is the photographer? Who snapped the pictures? Even if you go to Google, you will notice that this photograph we are seeing now, pictures we are seeing now, videos we are seeing now, is not up to 1,000 years. Now, who took these pictures you are seeing on social media as pictures of Christ? I know here various homes, you see it. In parishes, in churches, you see them. Those pictures. Do you know that those pictures are not Jesus' pictures? Do you know? Do you know that even that personality of Jesus, when that personality existed, there's nothing like pictures. Now, today, you go and get some of these pictures, known actors. Nollywood actors, Bollywood actors, and everything. They acted. Some of them, one of them came from Hungary. One of them came from Britain. One of them from America. Mr. Howard. And many of them, you watch the pictures and see those things yourself. Then ask yourself, these pictures you hang on your place, your house, you venerate them. What is the difference? Wise up. Let's know that all this is formulated this thing to play on our mindsets. Those people that acted those movies acted it based on the mindset of people, because in Nollywood, what they are acting is what is in people's mind. So they want to play on your intelligence and your imagination to give you what you want, because they are looking for what you like, and you pay to watch them. Watch this video and tell me your mind, as in what you have to say after watching this movie. Thank you.
Christians, make una come show me who be Jesus for this video. I see a lot of Jesus today. In fact, I don't know who be the original Jesus. Watch this video and you tell me who be original Jesus. Thank you.
10 actors who have played Jesus Christ in movies. Number 1. Robert Powell. Played Jesus in the TV miniseries Jesus of Nazareth 1977. Number 2. Jim Caviezel played Jesus in The Passion of the Christ 2004. Number 3. Diogo Morgado played Jesus in Son of God 2014. Number 4. Ted Neely played Jesus in Jesus Christ Superstar 1973. Number 5. Max von Sydow played Jesus in The Greatest Story Ever Told 1965. Number 6. Brian Deacon. Jesus 1979. Number 7. Jeremy Sisto. Jesus 1999. Number 8. Eoin Macken. Killing Jesus 2015. Number 9. Michael York. Jesus of Nazareth 1977. Number 10. Donald Sutherland. The Last Temptation of Christ 1988.
As you don't watch this video finish, do me a favor. You see that picture of Jesus where you hang for your house, where they pray to, where they kiss, where they go bow, where they go kneel to, say na your Jesus. Whether that picture where you hang for your house, whether you go see the actor here. It's just like when somebody go carry, or a white man go carry picture of Peter Doche, go hang for a house, say na Jesus. Now what you una do? Una don't say all these people na actors. Why you not go hang your papa, your mama, your brother's picture for your house and they pray to that to your father, your mother? We don't buy. Now actors, where they their country, some of them don't even buy. Those actors, some of the actors don't buy. But their pictures there your house. You they worship you. You they call them, they pray to them, to the actor, make you answer you. Africans who do us like this, make una open una head, open una brain, open una eyes. Open them. Shebi you don't see say all these people are actors. But my fellow African don't carry their picture, hang for house. They pray to the picture, to the actors. Why not carry Peter Doche picture, hang them there, they pray to that man. As far at least that one gets your blood, that one gets your language, that one resemble you. Now another actor, where they in village, where they in country, now you they pray to. I hope say you see your Jesus here. I hope say your Jesus day here. Erigogi, oh Erigogi.
Chukwu nenye nduo ekene kanjiribia anokwange n'aka ekene kanjiribia o ọmaka obi dị onye o ekene ka m jiri bịa o, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ndụ o, ekene ka m jiri bịa, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ndụ o, ekene ka m jiri bịa, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye nwa o, ekene ka m jiri bịa o, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye nwa o, ekene ka m jiri bịa o, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ndụ o, ekene ka m jiri bịa, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ndụ o, ekene ka m jiri bịa, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye udo, ekene ka m jiri bịa, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye udo, ekene ka m jiri bịa o, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ndụ o, ekene ka m jiri bịa o, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ndụ o, ekene ka m jiri bịa, anọkwa gị n'aka.
Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye ike niile si n'aka ya bịa. Anyị bụ ụmụ gị na-ekene gị, ugbo ekene ka anyị bụ wee bịa n'iru gị n'ụbọchị taa, ka anyị kene gị maka ihe ọma niile ị na-eme n'ime ndụ anyị. Anyị na-ekene gị maka nwa nke ị nyere anyị. Anyị na-ekene gị maka ogologo ndụ ya na arụ isi ike. Anyị na-ekene gị maka nchekwa na arụ ịdị mma. Chukwu nara ekene, izuru keme. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ike o, ekene ka m jiri bịa o, anọkwa gị n'aka o.
Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ndụ o, ekene ka m jiri bịa, anọkwa gị n'aka. Ekene ka m jiri bịa o, Chukwu na-enye ndụ o, ekene ka m jiri bịa, anọkwa gị n'aka.
Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu, onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu, onye ọma nyeje eme ọnụ, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu, onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu, onye ọma nyeje eme ọnụ, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochitubelu ga-adị, Ugochitubelu temple ọ ya adị, maka na eziokwu anwa cha-cha. Orugono a na-ebulukwa mmadụ enu ọkwụnụma, onye mee nke ọma ebunie ya enu, mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochitubelu ga-adị Ugochitubelu temple ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erighị anyị front and back ndị oche eri anyị front and back faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma bulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ mepekwa chọọchị fa okwu n'ụka bịakwa.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. It's me, your wife, Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu, Orifite. For those of you that are seeing me today for the first time, call me your wife, Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu, Orifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochitubelu Ọdịnala Temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, deep consultation. Nụkwazi ọlụ mmụọ dị iche iche and other spiritual works. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration evangelical mission bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, our today's topic is a very unique one. Today's topic is 21 days rituals and the spiritual exercise. Pay attention to you. Pay attention today. You will learn all those basic things you need to know as a newcomer, as a new adherent to Igbo spirituality. Believe in me, what you will learn today is the basic, one step by step, what you must know and what you must do as a first time comer. Pay attention today, you will learn something very unique. What you can do is to share the link. Invite your friends and well-wishers so that they will hear from the horse's mouth. Today's lecture will not be long, but if you pay attention, you will learn something that will be very unique and will save you so that you will not fall a victim. Let's proceed. Today is August 1. We have started rituals for the month of August, group rituals. This morning, before this program, I have gone to the temple to make declarations, to pray, to speak positivity into the lives of those that join us in this month of August. Our monthly ritual is group ritual for upliftment, breakthrough, and liberation. We have lots of testimonies, but we don't show testimonies on social media or in Eziokwu TV. You know why? It's not necessary. It's not why we are here. The only thing I can tell you is that there is power in this group rituals. We started this group rituals almost 3 years now. By November, it will be exactly 3 years we started it. There is this group of people that have been following us from that day one till date. In fact, some people normally even book every January, they book throughout the year. So if you are interested, chat me on WhatsApp. What you will do to join is to forward your 3 prayer requests. Then make token donation to the account number. If you chat me on WhatsApp, I will tell you other details we need for you in order to book you. Like yesterday, last day of July, we went to the stream to offer sacrifices with eatable things on behalf of all. And we came back to the temple to offer sacrifices, goody ram and salaka on behalf of all. Yes, I can tell you there is lots of testimonies. Yes. So if you are interested, you want to join the month of August, you can still join. And distance is not a barrier in our spiritual works in the temple. So if you want to join, chat me on WhatsApp for your 3 prayer requests so that you can join. Yes. My WhatsApp number is 0805. If you want to join or you have any question in today's lecture, WhatsApp me 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243871. Let's proceed. Yes. Remember today's topic: 21 days rituals and spiritual exercise. Pay attention. Some of these things you have been running from pillar to post, from one spiritualist to another, from one pastor to another, from one dibia to another, can actually be solved by these simple rituals you can be doing by yourself. Remember, in my teachings, my mission is to tell you all those things you can be doing by yourself. I insist that as an ordinary person, you have the capacity to be doing 70% of your work. It's only 3% that your spiritualist can be doing for you. And what I'm about to teach you today is one of those things you can be doing by yourself. Spirituality, you are not supposed to be spending money much on spirituality. Why you are spending money is that 100% of your spiritual work is done by the third party. Now, if you are capable, maybe you are living abroad, maybe you are some of the high profile personalities, you can actually afford the services of third party. Yes, but I'm talking to those people that can't afford those third party services. Makanema, if you know even if you ask me to perform some of these sacrifices that I can do for you, you pay. You know why? Because if I do that work for you, from the money you paid, I will still use money from there to do sacrifice to my forces that join me while doing that your work. From that money you paid, I will still take out some money for Saraka, as I normally do. Are you following? But if you can do those work by yourself, it will be cheaper for you. That is the fact. Are you following? Then, but if another person does those work for you, you pay. Remember, but if you can afford those services, so be it. Like my humble self, I know over how many years now I don't normally wash my clothes by myself. Yes, because I can afford the services for another person to do those ones. But I remember when I was growing up, I do those things by myself. So I use that one as an example. But if you cannot afford those services of third party, learn how to do it yourself. Then my admonition before I proceed to today's lecture proper. There are some people that normally preach some certain things that are not Igbo spirituality. Let me tell you. I went to social media the other day. I saw some people bragging that they do charms, that they do charms that do charms that 4 days their charms will start working, we bring money to you, do this, do that, just so many claims. But let me tell you one thing, you as a novice, the person that is telling you that he give you money, no, the person or billionaire. The person ne binyagi kese ke bia ke wolu wo. Ni aga binyagi ke ka ị wee gbawa Lamborghini, ọ na-agba Lamborghini. The person na-asị gị gị bịa ka o binye gị ike ka ị wee gbawa G-Wagon, ọ na-agba G-Wagon. The person na-asị gị bịa ka eme ọgaranya midnight, ọgaranya 4 days. Nyewadụ onwe ya ọ bụ ọgaranya. Ị nekwara ya na compound ya. Ị nekwara ya na compound ya, mmadụ ọ na-enye ihe ọ na-enwero. Ihe ji wee kwuo ihe a because of energy seekers. Those people that came back to ordinary. To fall victim. Ordinary is not all about a walk. Ordinary is not all about magic. So if the primary purpose of coming back to ordinary is to ibutike, then you have missed the point. And if you keep this mindset, you will fall a victim of scam. Are you following? Why I'm calling you to come back to your root is to align yourself with your spiritual forces, to be at peace with them, so that once you are at peace with your spiritual forces, your ancestors, they will stand by you, so that they will help you, to give you vision and knowledge which you can apply for your own betterment. Now, whether may gabu sorry, whether we may gabu billionaire, whether may gabu millionaire, obasi nachi, obasi nakara, obro na chige de oro gene gabu billionaire. If you like, were ego ni inwel, je la na ben nagi, were ego ni inwel, je wo oju ogwo so ya buru, so e gworo ekumeko. You can never be millionaire. Millionaire of 100 million. If you like, it can never come. Instead of that money to come, one sickness, one problem, consume that money, get ensure that Nina about the money on up. Woroku nke one mmadụ mere ihe. Advice I na-enye gị ka ọ bara uru ka ị ghara ịbụ victim, so that you will not fall victim. Because you might fall victim because you don't understand how things work. Why I'm calling all Africans, all Ndibo, to come back to your root is for you to be at peace with your ancestors, with your ancestral forces, with your spiritual associates, so that they will always be at peace with you, give you the knowledge and vision that you will put into work, and things will be better for you. Not necessarily because of material things. Are you following? Because if you understand how things work, you know the do's and the don'ts. You know the natural things that you must avoid and what you must do in order to better your loss. Not necessarily for you to be billionaire. Are you following? So, then our work is a different thing, entirely different from Igbo spirituality. Here in Ibata, why I'm here today is to teach you those Igbo spirituality, what is important, how you can be closer to your spiritual being, how you can activate that your inner self, how you can be able to connect yourself with your spiritual forces, and how you can connect yourself to the spiritual world. Because as a human, you have the ability to change some certain things by the spiritual strength given to you from above. So what I'm about to teach you is what you can be doing by yourself to grow spiritually. It's like for you to learn the tricks, the skills of how you can be able to maneuver in this world of gross material. Yes, because if you know how to swim, you can never be drawn in the river. unless if there is another thing attached to it. If not, on a very good day, you will notice the story and how Junior Pope died. Yes, Junior Pope died for the fact that he doesn't know how to swim. Yes, because we have some of the accounts that even the driver on that particular boat, that fateful day, swim to safety, even save somebody. Are you following? The same thing in spirituality. So why I'm here to teach you is the basic things you can be doing in order to understand the spiritual terrain and how you'll be able to protect yourself. So pay attention. So if you don't like what is happening to you and you are angry about your current situation and you want to change it, pay attention. Give me your ear. What you will do, go and look for foolscap. Go and look for foolscap. You're supposed to have your altar. You're supposed to erect your altar in your house. But if for any reason, because where you are living is not conducive, or maybe you are squatting with someone, or because of one reason or the other, you cannot be able to set up your own altar, fine and good. Listen, let me tell you what you will do. But if you have your altar, better. But if you don't have, it's still okay. Pay attention. What you will do, first of all, even if you have an altar, make sure you erect your altar in the east. In the east. How will you know the east? If you come out in your compound in the morning, between 9-10, look around, see where the sun is coming from. That is the east. So come inside your room. 4 corners of your room will also face the east, where face the west, north and south. So that 4 corners of your room face the east, face that side. That side is the east. Assuming you want to be inside the room, erect your altar there, so that whenever you stand in front of your altar, you are facing the east. But for any reason you don't have altar, always whenever you want to pray, face the east. Are you following? Anytime you want to pray, face the east. How will you do this? Having located east location, set here a time of your choice. Could be morning, it could be afternoon, it could be night. Any time of your choice. A time that you know that you will be at home for the next 21 days. Are you following? I said for the next 21 days, you know you will be around. Now, for the fact that you know you will be around in the next 21 days, see what you will do. Go and look for foolscap. Write your 3 prayer requests on that foolscap. Number 1, number 2, number 3. And don't write too much so that it will not be much. Then write the date you are starting. Then write the date. The 21 days will elapse. At the end of 21 days, you write the date. So if you have your altar, look for, or even if you don't have altar, look for maybe 200 naira. 100 naira is poor now, because of 100 naira cannot even buy anything reasonable. Even beggars, if you give them 100 naira, they will not appreciate you. So look for like something like 200 naira. Yes, up. So if you get that 200 naira, look for 4 notes. Look for 4 notes. So if you are putting 200 naira, put like 4 200 naira notes. So having put that 4 200 naira notes. So what you will do is this. Well, that's those 4 notes in water. Tinye ni me foolscap. Eba with your prayer request. Ega abegi haja. Then fold it. Aboni nwere altar. Tebe no altar. Aboni nwere any altar. Maybe you nwere handbag or any oni ebe oni getinye. Before do ye inwe wallet nkwa kitinye na wallet ye. Then set the time of your choice. Ihe agba ka gị n'ụmụ mmụọ chọrọ ịka. mgbe gị na ụmụ mmụọ ga-eji na-abịa na-akparịta ụka maka ọdịmma gị. So assuming now na choose let's say 3 a.m. nke agụ ụtụtụ, ma ọ na choose any 3 a.m. in the afternoon, or na choose any time of your choice. Any time of your choice comes, he game like I want to and may choose, I want not 3 a.m. can choose, may choose like 5 minutes to 3. Or 5 minutes to 3 hours, I'm British. You will most orgy to child. Yeah, our one evening they will not give it a working and week here have a bat. It's arrogant. About one name as a warrogue. I won't even will care a quack a quarter to quack again. Italia? Man, I won't even care as you in the May in the morning. Man, I won't even care somewhat better. I want you will care. Would also urge to charge in my case. I do Sahonokia. Chachahogi, do surgery. I can't know go such he may need 4 times. He opened up to open him metal. I feel I know what you know. He chose a bear, had a cable fence city to Punabo surgery. Remember that also the city still carrying your prayers. So a big atopia where or got close to wall, every mother when he came after ye, Oku. Especially when I don't answer. Only for that, ya. Soldier to Peru, won't make invalid. Natalia, so Ethiopia close to the wall, Kabuf. He gets here, Nana, Urochi Jano, Norana, face the east. Boko Chonu Wagi, Boko Chuko Keprimi Henine, Boko morning again a hassle. Boko on the Wagi, Ndo Tugi, Ndimirigi, or Wuno Boko all the forces sogi, Boko on the Cheben, Boko on the Cheben Nagi. Boko nda agwụgị kpọkụọ mmezu mmụọ ị na-eso gị na ha so ndị ilotara yozi ha sị ha biko onye akpọrọ ya megide ya kpọọ ibie. Ọ bụrụ na imesi etu anwa, pay attention, all the very important na ihe a na-akọwa. Ọ bụrụ na ịkpọkụcha ha iwe yọ ha sị ha biko, example taata bụ ụbọchị nkwọ, na taa ụbọchị nkwọ ka ị bịakwa ka gị na ha nọrịa n'ihi na ayọ ha sị ha biko, n'ihi na ekele ha maka nke ha mere eme, na-ayọkwa ha ka ha merụ na-aga n'iru. Gwa ha na ikpotago na ịnatago na be nna gị, na ikpotago ka gị na ha lụkọ, ma na ọnọdụ gị na na-ayọkwazi ha ebe ọ bụla isi mejọ ha biko ha gbaalụ. Ịyọcha ha mgbaalụ na ịnwe nwata na-asa ahụ n'afọ n'afọ, ịyọcha ha mgbaalụ iwe yozi ha sị ha na ihe na-ayọkwara ha bụ ebe ọbụla isi mejọ ha gbaalụ. Ịyọcha ha nke awa nwa yozie ha ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ịyọ, mana chetakwa etu esi ayọ ayịyọ. Yọ ha sị ha na-echọrọ ịpụta ihe, na-echọrọ ịbụ solution provider, na-echọrọ ịbụ onye a ga-esi n'aka ya gozi imirikite ndị mmadụ. Nke ọzọ bụ ị na-ayọ ayịyọ ịyọ na selfishly, ị na-agwa ụmụ mmụọ na-echọrọ ka ha bunie ego elu, ka ha mee ego odogwu, ka ha nye ya ego. Gwa ha ihe ị chọrọ iji nyaba ego wee mee. Gwa ha ihe ị chọrọ iji nyaba ego wee mee. Ị ghọtara ya? Yes. Mgbe m bidoro ayọrọ m ụmụ mmụọ sị na m echigatago na be nna m, na m abịtago ka m beje ozi a na ihe nna ya ọ bụ ha nye m nnukwu ego m meji ndụ, ego m meji zụ ụmụ, ego m meji ime ọgọ, ego m meji gbasa ike ọdịnala Igbo, nke bụ eziokwu na ha nyere m ya. And mụnwa na onwe m my part, those nkwa niile aha ihe awa m yọrọ ha, ihe awa m bụ n'obi m gwara ha nye m ego a na m meji ego ndị a wee mee ya bụ ihe a ka m ji ego a eme ka m were onwe m atụ. Since I asked them to give me money, that I will use this money judiciously, that I will use this money to help people, that I will use this money to propagate Igbo spirituality, and I'm doing it. Today, I spent a huge amount of money for Ordinary Igbo propagation. As you all know, the temple owns Eziokwu TV, and we spend a huge amount of money monthly to ensure that Eziokwu TV is still on the air. I create out my time daily to teach about Igbo spirituality, because it's my promise, and believe in me, before I came to Eze-Ana, has been doing great for me. And once I promised them that if they bless me, that I will bless others. And I have been doing it using our foundation. So what am I saying in essence is this: pay attention to your spiritual life. So tell them what you want from them. Tell them what you want to use that money and that blessings to do. After doing this, then make declarations. Speak positivity into your life. Cancel whatever you don't like that is happening in your life. N'ike Chukwu. N'aha Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Example. N'aha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Na nna kansụlụ ihe ọbụla na-ebute uke. Na nna kansụlụ negativity. Na nna kansụlụ ọnwụ ike. Na nna kansụlụ ịnachighị azụ. Na nna kansụlụ anything setback. Speak. Make declaration upon your lives. Cancel every negativity you don't like in your life. Then speak positivities into your life. Then after that, ask them that you have said it all. The ones you can remember. That please they should bless you abundantly and give you unmerited favor. If they know all those things that you need in order to be great, they should please let you have those things. After saying your mind and making the declaration, pause a while. Ask them, what do you want me to do? Having said this, pause a while. Then listen to your inner being. Believe in me, if you do this meditation very well, you will receive message. Know it. There are some people that clairvoyant, clairvoyants, and there are some people that they can see, they can hear, and that's what we call intuition perception, intuitively. Some we hear their message aloud. Some we get the message intuitively. They will tell them in their mind. Some we even, at times you can even fall asleep. After doing so, he tells them what do they want you to do. Pause for a while, for some minutes. While pausing a while, sometimes you will be carried away. You will doze off. And you will go in trance. You will be shown some certain things. It will be happening like television. That is one. Two, after you have shown yourself, they will tell you so many things. Sometimes you can even be carried away and you fell asleep. Maybe when you wake up, you now find out that you have slept like 30 minutes, 1 hour. You had a dream. And that dreams you had that time is going to happen. It's a vision. So, by so doing, you will be able to know where your strength lies. If you are a dreamer, you will be showing strength in dreams. If it's somebody that is very strong in astral projections, astral travel, he can be shown something in astral travel. If you're a type that normally hear voices, you can be hearing voices. They will be telling you, remember me, everything that I do in the temple is instruction I normally get after spiritual exercise. Yes. Is that during that spiritual exercise you will get that inspiration to be doing this, to do this, to do this sacrifice to more than to do this. In business wise, I remember when I started my business, during this spiritual exercise, I was informed that I should go and open pure water factory. And I did. Now, as we speak now, we are building bakery. You understand? All this is an inspiration I normally get on a very good day. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying in essence is this. If you pay attention to spiritual exercise, you will learn a lot. So after saying your mind during this spiritual exercise, don't just walk away. Ask them. Very important is the key. What do you people want me to do? Then pay attention attentively. Believe in me, if you start to do this, you will start receiving messages. You will start receiving inspiration. You will start receiving vision of what you can be doing in order to be earning money, because you suppose as a human being, you're supposed to have multiple streams of incomes. Whatever I do today, I will receive the inspiration and vision and ideas from my spiritual exercise. So it's not right for you, after saying what you want, you just get up and walk away. Who does that? If you are given opportunity to talk to your father, or to have the opportunity to interact with Mr. President or your state governor, after talking to him, he gave you the audience. After talking to him, telling him what you want, will you walk away immediately? The answer is no. After talking to someone that is superior than you, you wait for the person to give you a response. So, but in a term of spirituality, we don't understand. We just come in front of the spirits, entities. After saying our mind, we walk away. Who does that? This is one of the reasons why you have been asking for favor you don't get, because you are not doing the right thing. Learn this today. After praising them, asking them for forgiveness, telling them your mind, make some declaration, pause for some minutes. Ask them to tell you what they want you to do. Then listen. That is the only way you can connect yourself with spiritual forces. That is the only way you can plug yourself to power source. That is the only time you can so by connecting yourself with them, then ask them for wisdom, ask them for inspiration, ask them for blessings. So, but immediately after talking to them, you just walk away. Then how do you expect to receive that vision? How do you expect to receive that knowledge which you seek? So, know this one, no peace. After talking to them, ask them what they want you to do. Then pay attention. Believe in me, if you start doing this from now till the next 21 days, then you must see changes. It's a shock. Unless if you do not do this with all your heart, do this for 21 days. Then at the end of that, that is every day. If you are coming with time, set your phone on alarm. If you come today, let's say you are using 3 o'clock, come today by 3 o'clock, tomorrow by 3 o'clock, by next tomorrow by 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 21 days. Believe in me, you will start seeing changes. Remember that story in the Bible. A man, a legal luminary, that is a woman that is begging him to come and be his attorney, her lawyer. But the lawyer says, no, he cannot afford me. But when the woman persisted, the power of consistency, every day you come and knock on the gate, every day you come and knock on the gate, every day you come and knock on the gate. And the lawyer says, no, this woman will not allow me to rest if I refuse to come to her aid. So the same way, if you are coming to talk to Mumu, to have interaction with them every day, they will see that this thing is very important to you and that you are determined and you believe in them, their powers. Believe in me, they will give you audience. That is what you must do. Again, then after that 21 days have elapsed, some will say after doing the 21 days you don't get results you want to. Maybe as you have 3 prayer requests, you have only 1. Repeat again. Since you have already gotten an answer for 1 of the items request, then add another item there, another request, make it 3. Continue it over and over again. I can tell you your life will change. So what you will do is, at that 21 days elapsed, go to that your prayer request, that paper, that full scrap you write your prayer request. Go there, remove that money, that 4 notes you put there. Remember, this 4 notes is for beggars, real beggars, real beggars. Use that money, that 4 notes, share it to 4 different real beggars. What is important is the happiness that we have while you give them that money. That is important. It's like ihacha. Yes, you must give out in order to receive. Then that foolscap where you write down that your 3 prayer requests. Look for flat stainless plate or anything. Put that paper there. Burn it to ashes. After burning it to ashes, blow it into the air. Blow that ashes to the air. Then use that 4 notes there. Share it to the beggars. Do this repeatedly, believe in me. Even if you don't have, I'm talking to people that you have done your spiritual work, yet you have not written any positive answer. Keep doing this. Because you need to activate that your inner spirit in order to propel that your spiritual work to greater height. Now, for those of you that will say that they have already consulted Alpha, but they don't have money to do the Alpha demands. So what you will do, if maybe you have committed dialogue, but you don't have money to go about it and everything, when you are asking for mercy during this year's spiritual exercise, tell them that you know that you have committed dialogue, but you are sorry, that that you are so sorry about it, that you are not proud of it, but you don't have money to do the needful. Promise them. Promise Yachi, you have not fed Yachi. Promise Yachi that if they will open your way, that actually the first money you will get, that you will go and do the needful. While cleansing, then feed Yachi, and do all your spiritual work gradually. If you do this thing earnestly, believe in me, they will give you money that will enable you. You receive favor that will enable you to start doing those your spiritual work, paying your spiritual debt, because this is the debt you are owing in the spiritual realm. So stop folding your hands. Things are so difficult for me. I don't have money to do my spiritual work. You fold hand. No. Keep doing spiritual exercise. By so doing, you are reminding no more. But I'm broke. You know something. I can assure you. I won't be able to be here. You get a bit of what changes. Can you say ba? Inwa ju na kuzia ikowata. Here basalo 21 days rituals and the spiritual exercise. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 0805 7837672 or 0813-8243-871 0813-8243-871. Obuni imesia here earnestly. Imesia 21 days. You want to sign for? You make you also 21 days. You want to sign for? Chat me on WhatsApp. Because something no smoke without fire. Obuni na nonum. You are hearing my voice outside Africa. You are watching me via television channel, either Amazon, Global TV or whatever. You are watching, but you are watching me on your screen, your television screen, outside Africa. Chat me on WhatsApp via Eziokwu TV. Look on your screen, you will see the number there on the screen. The permanent number there is my number. 0805 7837672. Chat me and tell me the country you are hearing my voice from on television. I'm not talking about seeing me on social media or YouTube. If you are watching me on your television screen outside Africa, chat me on WhatsApp. In the name of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe, I bless you all. May the power of the Creator of the whole universe liberate you, uplift you, and bless you abundantly. as you are joining us in this program of evangelism. May all your heart desires be granted. Join me tomorrow on our program, Hour of Truth. Eziokwu. Remain blessed. Kemesian.
Good day, my name is Chucks. If you're in need of building designs, we have years of experience helping people get the beauty of their dream house they have always wanted. Even if you have great fear of seeking for architect because of money, we can help. Don't put off getting your dream house that you deserve. So give us a WhatsApp chat via our Facebook page today at Fenwork Architecture. Fenwork Architecture gives you the best. Thank you.
Morning. Okay, my name is Machuku Francis Chukwuemeke. I'm from Anambra State, Nibo, precisely. Okay, to start with, I would say thank you for using that word beautiful. Those work we saw in Eziokwu TV, I'm the architect that designed it. I happen to be one of the 3 executive directors in Framework Architecture. Framework Architecture is a multidisciplinary integrated company that offers specialized and expert contracts and consultancy in area of architecture, civil engineering, project planning, interior designing. Okay, Framework Architecture was founded and began operating in 2010. The company is led by management team of 3 executive directors, and have assembled a group of experienced and professional technicians in both traditional and high technology. Thank you so much. Our mission is to provide a service to meet the challenges of building environment associated with the developing countries like Africa. We aim to provide a conducive and safety, affordable housing units. Okay, to reach us is so easy. We are everywhere here in Nigeria. Why I say that we are everywhere is that we go outside jobs. Any place you call us, we are ready to be there and achieve your requirements. So for our contact number, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 070-6465-2451. I repeat, 070-6465-2451. Or you can also contact us through our email address, frameworkarchitecture@gmail.com. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you.